3 upgrades that increase the value of your home. I'm Jeff Russell with Russell Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty. What home upgrades will increase your home's value? When preparing your house for sale, you may be led to believe that the more upgrades you make, the higher the price you can list at. However, not all home upgrades are created equal. To answer this question, we have to take into consideration the changes that happened over the past few years, as homes were put through a massive reevaluation. In response to the pandemic, there are now new certain features in a home that have become much more attractive to buyers. In particular, there are 3 projects you'll want to take on. Number 1, add more usable square footage. According to a 2020 survey by HomeLight, the need for more space was among the very top reasons why people move. Projects such as creating a home office, building an open floor plan, and finishing your basement can give you that additional space that buyers want nowadays. Number 2, improve curb appeal. One of the best ways to improve your home's curb appeal is by focusing on your landscaping. Make your home look more enticing by adding additional healthy plants and blooming flowers to your front yard. To make even more of a statement, slap a fresh coat of paint on your home's exterior. However, not all challenges have to be big and grand. Sometimes small details like updating your mailbox and house number will catch the attention of buyers. Number 3, upgrade your outdoor space. Functional outdoor spaces such as a deck, a fireplace, or an outdoor kitchen are now more valued due to the pandemic. If your home has a nice exterior living area, buyers can imagine themselves enjoying the fresh air as they indulge in the outdoor activities. If you're already an outdoor oasis, pressure wash or make repairs necessary for a low-cost way to improve your home's value. Ready to boost your home's value? Focusing on these key upgrades can attract more buyers and increase your selling price. Thank you for watching my latest video. I'm Jeff Russell with Russell Realty Group. Reach out to me with any real estate questions. Bye for now.